Hello children, welcome to Basic 3. My name is Igwe Livinus Santiti and this is Agric Science class and our topic is grain crops. Grain crops. Grain crops. Right. Crops are edible plants produced by farmer for different purposes. Now, grain crops are the crops produced with seeds. I don't bear fruit, but seeds. And these seeds has different purposes. Some you eat raw, some you prepare them, you cook them before eating them. Let's see examples of grain crops. Grain crops. Examples of grain crops. Of grain crops. Crops. Yeah. One is rice. Rice. You know rice? Do you eat rice? Do you take rice? Carbohydrate food. Next one is maize. We have one, rice. Two is maize. Three is wheat. We have rice, we have maize, we have wheat. Next one is the uses of these crops. The uses of these crops. Uses of these crops. Like I said, we have maize. Maize is a very good food. We cook them and eat. You eat food and maize is one of them. Maize is good. You cook, prepare maize and eat. We use maize to produce pap. Do you take pap? It's a very nice food. Look at this child taking pap. So, pap is from maize. And maize is a seed. Have you seen it now? We eat rice. And rice, after harvesting them, you cook them and eat. So, one of the important is that we eat them. Like example, I said rice. You cook rice and eat. Next one is wheat. Wheat. Now we use wheat to make bread. Do you take bread? It's a very nice food. We use wheat to make bread. With this now, I've seen difference between seeds and fruit. Crops from other plants. So, crops are very good for your health. Keep eating them. With this now, I believe you've known the meaning of seeds and crops. So, keep reading your books as we continue next time with other different topics. Stay tuned and bye-bye.